I'm Katiana, licensed acupuncturist and the lead acupuncturist at Heavenly Bodies Clinic. Today we're going to be talking about abdominal pain and distress. This is something that a lot of people suffer from. Some only suffer from it momentarily because they've eaten something bad and then they attribute it to the bad food. Other people suffer for years through their lives with symptoms such as a bloating sensation, a fiery sensation going up, maybe some epigastric pain, maybe some gurgling, something lower. It may affect the large intestine, may affect bowel movements, may affect urination. It's a severe and serious problem in our country today. Now, you can treat this at home. It's commonly treated in acupuncture clinics because when we're treating pain, we're working with the underlying cause being there's energy that has gathered in this place and it's stuck there. When it tries to move up, like for instance with this patient, she has heartburn. Her pain gathers here and it starts to move up and it burns as it goes up. Now, any problem with pain in the abdominal region is going to be because the energy, for some reason, is not able to either move down, as in constipation, or is not able to move up, or it's moving up too fast and too hot. You can deal with that at home. The acupuncture points on the abdominal region run in lines. So we're going to identify where those lines are. Just make a line down the middle of your body, running through your belly button and straight up. Then take your thumbs and mark on either side, one thumb apart. That's going to be another line. And then from that line, another thumb apart. That will be another acupuncture line. Anywhere on those lines, you're going to find an acupuncture point. So don't worry about where those points are. Try to be fairly precise about the lines. Now, when you're pressing in, we're going to take each line on the abdomen. Let's define where the abdomen is first. It's not just here on your tummy around your belly button. It's bordered by bones. Your ribs, your hips, and your pubic mound. Now that is the entire region of the abdomen, and that's the entire region where you want to be working with your acupressure to get some relief. Let's take the first line. Here's our middle line, our second line, and our third line, which is going to be at the base of where the ribs come down and the hips come up. Take all your fingers and press slowly down on that line. Until you feel pain, stop. If you don't feel pain, just count to 10 and then release slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, at about that speed. Then let's move to the next line. This line is a little longer, so we're going to press down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If at any point you run into pain, stop and release. Now moving on that same line until we get to the pubic mound region, and slowly down and slowly back up. Now what this is doing is moving the organs out of the way very gently. It's your ability to massage your internal organs. A lot of abdominal pain is caused by those organs sticking. They almost like stick to each other instead of sliding like they're supposed to, and that causes pain. All right, let's move on to the second step of this acupressure technique, because there are 3 steps involved in this. The next thing you want to do is actually stimulate the energy that runs at the surface of the body. Cup your hands and go in circles in the entire area. We already defined that area, so you want to keep going around and around and around. So we're making small circles in a bigger circle all the way around. Do this until your arms are tired, or which can be 10 minutes or 20 minutes depending on how you're feeling. By cupping your hands, you're stimulating the energy at the surface of the body. You're not pressing on the skin like you would with a traditional Swedish massage. The third step in this treatment is to direct the energy out of this area with a sweeping motion. Very simply, just sweep the energy, direct it down your limbs. That will move the energy out of the way, and as I said, as I explained in traditional Chinese medicine, all pain is due to energy that is stuck somewhere. The same energy, it's the same problem. It's stuck in your elbow if you have elbow pain. It's stuck in your shoulders if you have shoulder pain, etc. Now, on the abdomen, you can also direct that energy out of the way with a treatment called guasa. Take any oil from your kitchen, smooth it on your abdomen. It can be olive oil, can be a baby oil, can be a bath oil that you like the scent of. Smooth that on your abdominal region. Take any bottle cap that's curved and is not sharp and stroke in small movements along the abdominal area, following the bones. Strokes are short and only as deep as they don't cause pain on the skin, over and over and over until the skin turns pink in that area. Here you can see the slight pink tone to the skin, so we're going to move down into the next region and continue stroking in short strokes. Now here we're going to follow an outward motion because that's how the energy of the abdomen naturally flows, is in a circle. So follow that, right following the ribs. So let's move here, and then you can take this on your own to fix your abdominal pain, and be sure and teach this technique to others. It's very effective.